醒我，一直把你宠爱着。为何你的眼中是寂寞，让我心中好难过？一生想给你快乐，一生想为你执着。为何你的嘴角是沉默，让我情绪全失落？男人没有错，只是男人太难做。近一点太轻薄，远一点是冷漠。男人没有错，只是男人也罪过。杯中酒好苦涩，心里苦向谁说
？Teaching paths for rating of 5-axis cantilever machine. How to use 5-axis cantilever machine to do the automatic welding. We have to teach the tool path. The tool we manage insert and turn the tool and with an angle between the square bar and angle with the round bar, and insert in positions for one spark welding, and then along the round circle weld up to the top, and retract the tool and turn the tool back to the B and C equal to 0 positions, and this side is the same. Straight down, turn B, turn C, and inclined weld the first point, and along the circle lift to the top and retract back, turn the B axis, C axis back to 0 positions, and combine these two welding both for one force round circle welding, and the rest from here to the end all using the same methods. Let's continue the teaching. Change to teach more using add one last. The K value give 8. Get the current parameter to get the cutting speeds 100 millimeter per second. And these points, the Z equal to 0, the X equal to 15, the Y equal to 20. Okay, then let's see the tip position like this. We turn RY 30 degrees. Cartesian coordinates RY 30, RY plus 10, 20, 30, and the turn along RZ negative once. Okay, this is the welding pose of these points. Change back to join modes. Replace the first point by modify. Get machine coordinates. Okay. The root, we have to create it inversely. So we have to insert a point in front. These 2 points the same. After adjusting the pose to alter the first instructions, retract, change to Cartesian coordinate system. Retract 3 times. X minus once, twice, 3 times. Change to join modes. Modify. Get current position. Okay. Thereafter, we have 2 instructions. From here, inclined insert to the welded position. Let's see the root visually. Okay, run. Okay, good. Move to the first point. Then we have to turn the tool to 00 BC position. So the same, we insert 1. Move to the first point. Change B first. This point don't move. Adjust the tool. We have to use Cartesian coordinates. Ry back to 90. Ry 1 to 1. Ry minus once 111. Twice 100 101. Y minus again 91. We have to adjust to 90.0 something. So we lay the speed multi 10. Y minus 90.4. Again 90.9. We call this pose the B axis, located just right. Change back to join mode, modify, get machine coordinates. Okay. But in this case, the C not justify. So we add 1. We still has to insert 1 of 2. These 2 lines the same. We have to change the C back to 0. Okay, how to do it? J5 back to 0. J5 minus once 9.426. Slower the speeds. Okay, 0.0. Okay, and then modify. Get a machine coordinates. The B and the C almost to 0. This is tolerance. We lift along the J3, the Z position at the join mode. J3 plus. Before doing that, we have to insert 1 point before line number 1. Insert. Okay, lift J3 plus at the fastest speed. J3. Okay, then modify the first points, get the current positions. By the way, the 0.080 we change to 0. The V 0.06 change back to 0. Okay, that's all. This is insert the tool. Let's see. Run. Okay. Okay, then head tail to the tail. Move to the line 5. Keep the pose. The J4 and the J5. The same inclined angle. And we have to let the tool tip along the circle up to the toppest. This is minus X. This is plus Z. And the join mode, we lower the speeds. Multi-10. Minus X is J1 minus. And the Z lift J3. Okay, this one. Okay, so we use and the join mode line. Continue. J minus, J1 minus, J3 plus. Okay, line. J1 minus, J3 plus. Okay, J1 minus, J3 plus. Okay, J1 minus, J3 plus. Okay. Then we have 10 instructions. See the visually. Okay, fine. And then retract back. How to retract? To go to the Cartesian coordinate system, to the fastest speeds, s minus once, twice, third times. Back to join modes. Line. And then turn the tool B back to 0 to Cartesian coordinate system. Y once, twice, 111, 101, third times, 91. Lower the speeds. Okay, 90.9. Oh, okay. Back to join more. Lie. At this moment, the Xi still inclined. Xi is still inclined. We have to remove 90 of J5. J5 minus 1, 9.4. Okay, 0.027. Okay, then line. And lift to the fattest speed. J3 plus 1 lift and line. Change this small variance of J4 and J5 by using modify U0 V0. Okay, that's it. And run. Have a look. Okay, so the first sign finished. Let's save it. Save CC as test 1. Okay, test 1. After save, renew to clear the data field and commencing for the next 1/4 circle. Join more. L1 last. Data 8. Get current speeds 100 millimeter per second. Located S at minus 15, half radius of 30. The Y 20, the Z 0. Okay, let's see the pose. And this position. Okay, we inclined along Y direction 30 degrees back to Cartesian coordinate system. Y minus 1, 2, 3 times, and turn along RZ once. Okay, so this is the welded points. Change back to join mode and modify these points. Get the machine coordinates. Okay, and retrieve back and line 1 insert. Retrieve S minus 3 times Cartesian coordinate system. 1, 2, 3 times. Change back to join modes, modify, get the current position, and then turn the tool back to justify position. The same, insert 1. The tip don't move, so we have to be Cartesian coordinate system. Y must be 90 degrees. Y minus 70, 80. Slower. Okay, 90 already. Back to join mode, modify, get machine coordinates. Okay. Then the C has to adjust to adjust to 0. The same and line 1. Insert, move to, and the join mode 160 has to be adjusted to 0. So that is the speeds. J5 minus once 150. Slower the speeds. Okay, J5 0.0. Okay, and then modify, get the current positions, and then still insert 1. Move to the vertex position. J3 positive once, and then modify, get the current positions. By the way, the 0.02 U just 0. The V 0.074 just 0. Okay, let's see. Wrong. Okay, then we have to keep the pose and move the tool along the circle to the top. Head, tail, a half side to the tail. Get a move tool. Then this direction is X positive and Z positive. Slower the speeds. S positive, go. Z positive, go. Okay. Like next one. S positive, Z positive. Okay, 9. S positive, Z positive. Okay, S positive, Z positive. as positive, Z positive. Okay, as positive, Z positive. Okay, as positive. Okay, right now, totally instructions 12. Let's see the visually. You can see the welding from here to here. Then let's add the previous half welding. Let's go to the head using insert file. Insert test 1 in both sides on the screen. Let's run to see. Run to see the whole rule. Okay, it seems missing something. We still has to do the recheck to the tail. Move to recheck, which lost something. Okay, how to recheck? The first, we have to change to the Cartesian coordinate system and move the speeds to the fastest x minus once, twice, 3 times, and change to Joimo and 9 first, and then back to Cartesian coordinate system to adjust Ry to 90, Ry to 90, 78, 88, okay, 90, nine, and 160 0 back to 0 to the fastest speeds. J5 minus once, twice. Okay, slower the speeds. Okay, then 9, Joimo 9, and then fastest speeds. J3 plus 9 as well, and then modify The V adjust to 0. The U adjust to 0. Okay, that's all. Let's see the whole procedure run. Okay, lift. Then we save CC as the test 2. Dot CC, that's all.
杯中酒好苦涩，心里不向谁说。男人没有错，只是男人太难做。轻一点太轻多，软一点是冷漠。